Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your Cartel account, so let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to delete your account is, of course, log into your Cartel account, and once you arrive at your dashboard, you need to go into your account settings in the top right. Once you're here, you need to scroll down until you get to your plan and billing, and here you can click to manage plan. Once you're there, as you can see, you can click here to close the shop. And if I click there, it's going to ask me to fill out a survey, which is going to allow you to continue with the closing. As you can see, the feedback is helpful to them. So I do recommend you select everything that you are having. So for example, missing features I need. I'll click here to continue, and this is a required field. So I do recommend you write this here. And once you enter that, click continue, and go through all of these steps. That should be pretty much it. So for example, let's say digital products, click continue, and when I click continue, it's going to take me to the closing screen, where as you can see, you can close your shop and they'll hang on to your data until 21 days, or what's that, 3 weeks from the moment of closing, which will allow you to reopen your shop. And there are some helpful tips and confirm shop closure information, which again just says that all the information will be deleted by, in this case, February 21st. Then you'll need to enter your account password to confirm, and once you do that, close the shop, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.